today we are going to develop a new game. So before developing the new game, you should install or download the pygame, and after downloading the pygame, just go to the file, just click on the file, and after file just go to the new project and write down the project name. So I'm just going to give go project, so for this window only. So this will create your virtual environment for you. So in go project, right click and go to the new and add a Python file. In Python file you can write your Python file name. You can write anything like GoPro, and here we'll start. And first of all I want to teach you the basics only, because in the basics you will able to know about the concepts, how the games work, how the consoles and everything works. So I'll teach from the pygame, and afterwards after we are completing the pygame, we will be working in Unity. There I'll teach you how to make a professional game. So here you have to write from, no, not from, write down import pygame. So here red wavy lines are showing. As you give the cursor, here it will show to install the package of the pygame. So you just have to click over here and it will automatically install package for you. So as you can see, installing package for pygame, and afterwards, yeah, installation is complete. Yeah, the package has been installed. So see, the color also changed, so no wavy lines are seeing over here. And afterwards, from pygame dot locals import start. What does import pygame and from pygame dot locals import do? This all, first of all I'll explain about import pygame. Pygame, this will import all the functions that are inside the pygame. That is useful. Functions like graphics, sounds, everything will be imported. And local import means everything will, like several constant variable, will be imported. And afterwards what you have to write is the pygame dot init. And here let's check is it showing any kind of error or not. If it's showing error, we will just correct it. No, it's not showing any kind of error. So pygame 1.9.6, hello from the pygame community, it's working very fluently. So next thing, I want to make a display box. So you have to think how you will make a display box. So you don't have to make any logic to write any display box over here. It's so simple. So first we will initialize a variable. So suppose I am writing a variable name make, and pygame dot display dot set caption, not set captions, set mode. We have to set the mode of the display, in how many length or breadth your game should be displayed. So we have to pass the 2 integer value inside the tuple. So here what I am saying, without passing the integer value, is it throwing any kind of error or not? Let's check. Yeah, it's throwing an error. So what's the error? It's saying that the argument 1 must be sequence of length 2. Means we have to pass 2 arguments. If I'm passing single argument, single integer value, then also it's showing an error. It will show an error. Now you can see 1 must be 2 item sequence. Argument 1 must be. So we have to pass 2 integer values, and now it will not throw any error. See, it's popping a window, right? And on the window it's written pygame window. So I want to change the name pygame window into a beautiful captionless window. Let's suppose just write on set caption display dot set caption like gamers. It's cool. Yeah, it's changing. See, gamers. so the pygame window is changed into the gamer, so it's very easy. So in next video I'll tell you how to make a window that is constant, or that should stay over here only, or we can move the window from one place to another.